Hi guys, I'm Vicky, and you're watching VikiVision!
The sun rises every morning and sets every night. We wouldn't have warm, sunny days without the sun. The hot sun melted their ice cream before they could eat it. Sun. They really did need some shade from the sun. Sun. The sand at the beach was very hot from the summer sun. Sun. Here comes the sun. Rain. Rain. It rains when drops of water fall from the clouds in the sky. It started to rain on Pinkerton's picnic. Rain. The rain came down like cats and dogs. Rain. Dapper Dandy came in from the rain to dry off. Rain. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Wind. Wind. Wind is the movement of the air outside. The wind pushes sailboats, rustles leaves on trees, and keeps your kite in the sky. The wind blew Dapper Dandy's hat off. Lucky Eli. Wind. Pinkerton's kite was carried away by the wind. Wind. Be careful opening an umbrella when it's windy. Wind. The paper airplanes drifted gently in the wind. Wind. The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. Snow. Snow. Snow is small white flakes of frozen water that fall from the sky when it's really cold outside. That was a huge snowstorm. Snow. They all made monsters out of snow. A ball made of snow that you throw is called a snowball. You want Sunny on your team in a snowball fight. Snow. Scampy rolled down the snowy hill. Snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Mud. Mud. Mud is a mix of dirt and water that is mushy and sticky. It's fun to jump in the mud.
Alphabot's Adventures! We landed with a splat in a giant mud puddle.
Mud. Make sure to wipe your muddy feet before entering the house. Mud. Don't be a stick in the mud.
Okay, this is the end of the video. Smash that like button and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.